Sitting on a log down by the pond at the back of my grandparents' farm, the one I grew up on, listening to the frogs and the birds and all the bees flying round me, calling us home to our own heart center, where the answers are, if we're willing to turn inward so that we can see how great we are. We gotta feel it to heal it, and those emotions rise through the energy centers of our body, and the heart is where we have to start moving and making sure we can part with the energies in motion that need to move in order to express authentically, which is why we have Camp Authenticity at the Hub for Humankind, May 17th to 19th, and you're invited. Therefore, there's more as well. Camp 1, 2, and 3, those each are going to be full of amazing community, where we will come together to be real and to feel so that we can heal, with others doing the inner work too. Yes, it's true. We can be the ones who do the inner work, and also see that we're the ones we've been waiting for. And so now it's time for us to star as the main character in our own lives. So what does that really mean? We'll get into that Saturday. Steps to Empowerment is a presentation I am giving at 3 on Saturday at the Tiny Homes and Sustainable Living Expo, happening this weekend, April 20th to 21st. It'd be great to connect with you and talk about a few of the things that will be happening at the Hub for Humankind next month. So if you are free to be with me and the amazing souls that'll be at Soulspath this weekend, well then make sure you come. And if you can't, well, reserve your May 17th to 19th experience at the Hub for Humankind. I wouldn't mind connecting ahead of that time. So this weekend would be great. And if you just can't wait, well then reach out, let me know what you think of this down below, and say how your last 2 weeks have been. I know for me the grin I normally have has been less. It's been hard, it's true. I am going through the moves, the roles riding the wave. It's true that I am doing the inner work to feel, to heal, and be more whole. That is the role. So please join